Welcome to GearGrinders, your go-to source for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting motocross machines of the year, the 2025 KTM 250 SX-F Adamo Edition. Inspired by the incredible racing legacy of Andrea Adamo, this special edition bike brings championship-winning performance, cutting-edge technology, and factory-level upgrades straight to the hands of passionate riders. Race-ready design and graphics. The Adamo Edition stands out with an aggressive racing livery, featuring KTM's signature orange, black, and white color scheme, with Adamo-inspired graphics for an exclusive factory look. The lightweight chromoly steel frame, optimized for rigidity and handling, ensures that the bike remains agile and responsive on the toughest motocross tracks. High-performance 250cc engine. At the heart of the 250 SX-F Adamo Edition is a 250cc, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine that delivers class-leading horsepower. With KTM's latest DOHC technology, enhanced fuel injection, and race-tuned mapping, this engine provides lightning-fast throttle response and superior power delivery across the rev range. Whether you're launching off the gate or pushing through deep ruts, this bike offers explosive acceleration and control. Advanced suspension for ultimate control. KTM has equipped this edition with WPX-ACT suspension featuring Air 48mm forks in the front and a fully adjustable WPX-ACT rear shock, ensuring maximum stability and comfort. The lightweight swingarm enhances rear-end traction, allowing riders to maintain control even on the roughest terrain. Braking and safety features. Stopping power comes from high-performance Brembo brakes, with a 260mm front disc and 220mm rear disc, offering exceptional braking performance. With KTM's traction control system and launch control, riders get an edge in both stability and whole-shot performance, making this bike a true competition-ready machine. Ergonomics and rider comfort. The slim bodywork and sculpted seat provide excellent rider mobility, ensuring comfort during long motos. The factory-style foot pegs, ODI grips, and quick-turn throttle give riders precise control, while the lightweight battery and electric start make getting back into action quicker than ever. Final thoughts. The 2025 KTM 250 SX-F Adamo Edition is built for those who want to ride like a champion. With its race-proven engineering, premium suspension, and aggressive power delivery, this special edition is a dream machine for motocross enthusiasts. Whether you're an aspiring racer or a seasoned pro, this bike is ready to dominate the track. Stay tuned to GearGrinders for more in-depth reviews, performance tests, and the latest in motocross technology. See you at the track.